Viatris is a global healthcare company with a mission of empowering people worldwide to live healthier at every stage of life. We believe that better access leads to better health and leverage our world-class manufacturing and scientific expertise and proven commercial capabilities to bring quality medicine to patients when and where they need them. Our world-class manufacturing facility in Carroll Park, Queensland, has been making medicine in Australia for more than 40 years. We now produce more than 3.5 billion dosages of medicines that we distribute all over Australia, New Zealand, and export in more than 40 countries. Approximately 1/3 of all Viatris medicine taken by Australian patients is made here in Australia. So what does it take to create this legacy and keep it going?
The first stage is to identify and explore new opportunities for collaboration with existing and new partners. Whether we are looking for a new chemical entity or proprietary asset, a distribution deal, or to fill a product gap in our base business, we ask ourselves several questions. Is there an unmet patient need we can meet? Does it make commercial sense? And can we leverage Viatris' capabilities and reach in specialty care, primary care, hospital channels and pharmacy to maximise patient access to this medicine?
Or we scan the market looking for drugs coming off patent. Then we talk to the experts in marketing and medical to build our business case using patient pools, sales trends and commercial assumptions. If it stacks up commercially, we find a source and bring it in.
Even if we identify a gap in the market, we still need to ensure that the product is financially viable for the company and that our commercial offer is competitive and attractive for our customers.
No medication can be marketed in Australia without being listed on the Australian Register of Therapeutic Goods. The regulatory team works with our global teams to develop, compile and refine the dossier for submission to the TGA and liaise with both the TGA and manufacturing sites throughout our registration process. This process takes about 12 to 14 months.
Viatris has 26 manufacturing and packaging facilities worldwide, including at Carroll Park in southeast Queensland. Around 1/3 of the medicines we supply within Australia are made right here.
Product Launch is responsible for coordinating the activities from the time a decision has been made to launch a product until we release the first batch to market. We ensure timings are met throughout the life of the project so we can ensure the product is available for patients at the earliest opportunity.
And when it comes to quality systems, we're responsible for the documentation and change control to bring all the elements together to register a product in the impacted market and implement the change on site.
Our quality control lab assesses the raw material when they arrive and tests again the finished product to ensure high quality standards are met every time.
In production, we dispense, granulate, compress, encapsulate, and coat to make quality products for our customers.
Once we get the product from production, we pack into blisters or bottles, put them into cartons or shippers, and we send them to distribution.
And we perform the process of release, supply and quality oversight for a product in Australia. This process involves a review of batch documentation to ensure the product is manufactured using good manufacturing practices and regulatory requirements are met prior to distribution.
In the commercial supply chain team, we place launch purchase orders onto vendors, follow up with freight forwarders and liaise with customs to get goods cleared and delivered into our warehouse. We also liaise closely with the launch and marketing teams, as well as our wholesalers, so that we have orders available in the system for when the stock is released to ship out to the wholesalers and then onto pharmacies.
In the distribution department, we manage the safe and compliant storage and distribution of our medicines that we sell within Australia. We have a dedicated team who receive, book in and dispatch our goods from our portfolio of over 900 products, from Bundamba in Queensland to our customers around Australia.
At this stage of the game, we are ready for sales operations to load the pricing. This involves loading the pricing into our CRM, SAP, and with our wholesale business partners. We are also responsible for generating the order allocation report for the new product and loading these orders into our customer relationship management system.
It's important we build a high-functioning team that will get the work done with trust, respect, and of course, a bit of fun. We seek out the best people for our roles, building a great workplace culture that enables people to be their best at work and at home, investing in their development for the future.
The role of environmental health and safety is critical in meeting our legislative requirements. However, more importantly, it ensures the physical and mental well-being of our employees, which in turn leads to the safety and quality of the medications we provide to our patients. Additionally, as an organisation committed to environmental sustainability, we pride ourselves in minimising our ecological footprint.
And when it comes to the legal team, we support the business at multiple points in bringing a product to the market, including providing legal and IP advice to the product portfolio, business development, sourcing, launch operations, sales and marketing teams.
Our industry is highly regulated. We work closely with industry bodies, patient organisations and government stakeholders to maintain a policy environment that helps us overcome hurdles, maximise opportunities and satisfy unmet medical needs.
When it comes to training, that's where the real fun begins. We understand the marketing message and the product placement required. We then translate those messages into educational campaigns for our sales team to deliver in market.
It's important that our communication with stakeholders, from employees to healthcare professionals, patients to government representatives, is consistent. We communicate about our products, our business, our company, and how Viatris empowers people to live healthier at every stage of life.
Once we have the product ready to launch, it becomes imperative that marketing builds the brand. Our job is to identify how we launch into the market, who our customers are, and the best ways of reaching them. We then go to launch with the sales team and are off to market to grow the brand to its full potential.
A medicine remains on patent for 15 to 20 years and then the time comes to launch a generic. My team step in and we do everything from building the business case, the packaging and the artwork, through to the pricing models and all the way through to the sales resources for the sales team. We make sure that we provide a sustainable product to our patients.
After a product is launched, the medical team is responsible for the review of promotional materials, a provision of our medical information service, and importantly, the reporting of all safety information to the drug safety team.
We also build Viatris' presence within the institutional space, which includes hospitals and government agencies. These partnerships are a vital component to ensure the success of our launch, alongside our partnerships with hospital pharmacies.
And if you want to see real hustle when it comes to getting Viatris products into pharmacy, then our virtual pharmacy relations team is where the magic happens. We contact almost every non-supporting pharmacy across the country about new products, distribution deals and second-line terms.
And we provide healthcare professionals with the latest clinical data so that they can make an informed decision when prescribing one of our products to a patient. We're driven by the desire to ensure that every patient gets the medicine they need when and where they need it.
And we are the final piece of the puzzle. It's our job to make sure that the products get on the shelf, whether they are in the dispensary or the front of shop. We tailor our approach to every pharmacy. We educate and teach pharmacists and their staff to show them how Viatris products can help their businesses so that they can thrive.
As you can see, it takes a company of dedicated, resourceful, and motivated people to ensure a Viatris product reaches our patients. It is with all these ends and more that we can ensure patients in Australia, New Zealand, and around the globe have access to medicines they need to live healthier at every stage of life.